Hello everyone, this is Ellie speaking. I hope you're doing great and welcome to our video on 50 common mistakes in English. If you're learning English as a second or foreign language, or you just want to brush up on your grammar, this video is for you. We'll be covering a wide range of errors that even native speakers make, including issues with verb tense, subject-verb agreement, prepositions, and more. By the end of this video, you'll be better equipped to identify and correct these common mistakes in your own speech and writing. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Okay, number one, we don't use the preposition about after the verb discuss. So we don't say let's discuss about it. We say let's discuss it. For example, I think we have a problem here. Let's discuss it. Oh, I'm sorry, Anne, but we don't want you here. We want your brother on. Internet, TV, or the news, we don't use the preposition in. We use on. On the internet, on TV, on the news. For example, don't believe everything you read on the internet. Please. Oh, I love her. I think she's a great singer. Don't you think so? Oh yeah, I'm agree with you. I'm agree? No, don't use any to be verbs here. I agree with you. That's it. I'm married with him. First of all, it's not married with, it's married to. I'm married to him. And second of all, to whom? Number 5, darling, we don't say eat breakfast, eat lunch, eat dinner. We say have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner. Let's have lunch together. Number 6, it's go home, not go to home. So we say, let's go home. I'm going home. Apply for a job or for work? Definitely the first one. We say apply for a job. I applied for a job yesterday. Some students. Correct. Some of students. Some of the students. Also correct. So if you're using the preposition of, don't forget to use the article the after it. Some of the students or some students. Number 9, hope and expect are followed by to infinitive. So we say, I hope to get the job. I hope to get the job, not I hope getting the job. Or I expect to be back within a week. 10. In English, if you want to show a long distance to a place, we can say walk a long way or drive a long way, okay? We don't say walk far or drive far. For example, I walked a long way to the city center, or we drove a long way to the mall. If I were you, I would take a breath and relax. Wait, what? If I were you? Isn't I followed by was? In second conditional sentences, all pronouns are followed by were. I were, she were, he were, we were, they were. Some native speakers may say if I was you. Okay, but it's not grammatically correct. Try to not laugh or try not to laugh. Which one is correct? Definitely the second one. Try not to laugh. I tried not to laugh, but I wasn't successful. Let me give you advice. Okay, but it's not give advice. It's give a piece of advice. Let me give you a piece of advice. Trust your instincts. Okay, this one. Fish, also fish, and fishes. Right, we only say fishes if we have different kinds of them, so be careful. We work hard to improve our life or lives? Darling, it's lives. Our lives. Their lives. Okay? Oh, I handled the situation very good. Great job, good for you, but it's not very good, honey. It's very well. We do something very well. You handled the situation very well. Excellent, bravo. I he and I or he and me? As these two pronouns are used as the subject of our sentence, we should say he and I. He and I went to the beach for a weekend trip. After be satisfied, we use the preposition with, not at. We were satisfied with the service at the restaurant. Angry is also followed by the preposition with. Are you angry with me? Don't be, please. Return to or return back to. Definitely return to. We don't need back here. We didn't know what to do, so we just returned to our hotel. 20 minutes is or 20 minutes are. 30 kilometers is or 30 kilometers are. The correct verb is. We say 20 minutes is. 30 kilometers is. For example, 20 minutes is not enough. It takes me longer to get ready. Do you like apple? Yes, I like apples. Do you like dog? Yes, I like dogs. These are countable nouns, so we use plural form of them. I like dogs. I like apples. I'm artist. What do you do? Oh, so you are an artist and I'm a teacher. Don't forget to use the articles a or an before your job title. Oh, I'm disappointed from you. Okay, but I think you should be disappointed with me. Are you kidding me? No, I'm not. We use with after disappointed. So you should say, I'm disappointed with you. I'm sorry, I did a mistake. We make a mistake, not do a mistake. So you made a mistake. Okay, tell me, what is it? Before the vehicles bus, train, plane, and bike, we use the preposition on, not in, because we can stand or walk on these vehicles. So we say, I got on the bus, I got on the train, but we say in the car, get in the car. She won't listen to me, or she doesn't listen to me. Which one is correct? We use won't to say that somebody refuses to do something, and it's a temporary thing, not a permanent one. So, she won't listen to me. The car won't start. Oh, she can't come to the party, which is too bad. Which is too bad, huh? What about what is too bad or that is too bad? We are talking about a fact, not a thing. So we should use which. Which is too bad. She can't come to the party is a fact, is not a thing. So that's why we use which here. She can't come to the party, which is too bad. This is more better than that. Or this is much better than that. Which one is correct? In English, when we want to compare two things, we use more or er to show the comparison, but not both. So more better doesn't work because better is already a comparative form, while much better is correct because much intensifies the adjective better. Oh, this is similar with that, right? No, because this is similar to that. Be careful with the preposition, darling. Despite of the rain, we went out. Despite is not followed by the preposition of. So we should say, despite the rain, we went out. You can also say, in spite of the rain, we went out. Despite, in spite of. I used to wake up early. I'm used to waking up early. Which one is correct? I used to do something means I did it regularly in the past, but no longer do it. We use this structure only for the past, not for the present. I'm used to doing something means something is not strange or new for me. It has become a habit or a normal part of my daily routine. So both of them are correct, but they definitely have different meanings. I used to can't swim. I used to be able to swim. Used to is a semi-modal verb that always goes with the base form of the main verb. So to express the ability to swim in the past, we should say, I used to be able to swim. Yeah, I know spiders are scary, but you should say, I'm afraid of spiders, not afraid from. I was surprised from his reaction. Yeah, I was surprised at his reaction too. It was very surprising. He is responsible of this project. Yes, you're definitely right. I totally agree with you. He's responsible for this project. You're 100% right. Arrive to, arrive in, arrive at. Which one is correct? Well, arrive to is 100% wrong. Now let's see when we should use arrive in and arrive at. We use arrive at when referring to a specific place, building, or point. We arrived at the hotel at 5 o'clock. We arrived at the party just in time. I arrived at work late, while arrive in is followed by a larger area or a general location. We arrived in London last night, or we arrived in England last night. I'm really good in cooking or at cooking. We say be good at something. So I'm really good at cooking. You're really good at English. I prefer coffee to tea. No, really, I really prefer coffee to tea. But you don't use than after prefer, okay? Different from or different than. His opinion is different from mine or different than mine. Different from is considered more grammatically correct and more formal, while different than is often used informally, particularly in American English, and it's not necessarily wrong. This one is really important. Look forward is followed by a gerund, the ing form of a verb. So we should say, I look forward to seeing you, not look forward to see you. Oh, I saw a dream. I think you had a dream. This one is all about collocations. We say have a dream, not see a dream. So you should say, I had a dream. I dyed my hair. Really? You did it yourself? Because that's the meaning of your sentence. If you got your hair dyed by someone else dyed your hair for you. So you should say, I had my hair dyed. But if you did it yourself, yeah, you can say, I dyed my hair. I do my bed every morning. Nice. But I think you make your bed, not do your bed. Collocations. Are you ready for another collocation? Here we go. Make a decision or do a decision. Definitely the first one. I made a decision. We make decisions. He's very funny. He's very fun. Which one is correct? Well, both of them are correct, but with different meanings. He's very funny means that the person has a good sense of humor, can make people laugh, and tells funny jokes. But he's very fun suggests that the person is enjoyable to be around because they make situations and activities more pleasant and fun. Got it? So which one do you think you are? A funny person or a fun person? Lie, lay, lane. Lay, laid, laid. I know, they can be very confusing, but this is English. What are we going to do about it? Lie has two significant meanings. One of them means that to be in a position in which your body is flat on the floor, on a bed, etc. For example, don't lie in the sun for too long. And the second one means to tell someone something that is not true. For example, I would never lie to you. But lay means to put someone or something down into a flat position. For example, lay the baby in his bed, or I laid the baby in his bed. The rich is not always happy, or the rich are not always happy. The rich is a plural noun referring to a group of people who have a lot of money. So we should use the plural form of the verb. The rich are not always happy. Here are some more examples that follow the same rule. The wealthy are often generous. The poor are in need of help. I need to finish the work until Friday or by Friday. Which one is correct? Well, let's see. By suggests that the task or activity should be finished at or before the deadline or the specified time. Until, on the other hand, implies that the action will continue until the certain point in time. It doesn't convey the same sense of completion or deadline that by does. For example, if you say, I need to finish my project by Friday, it means you have to complete the project on or before Friday. But if you say, I need to finish my project until Friday, it doesn't clearly indicate when the project should be finished. Here we go. We just learned 50 common mistakes in English. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Take care.